Hey y'all, what's going on? It's me, Kevin, with FitMenCook. Okay, it's a brand new year, and you're starting it off by making the declaration that you're going to eat breakfast every single day. That's great. And I've also got some good news for you. You don't have to eat egg whites and oatmeal every single morning, unless of course you want to.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Today, I'm going to show you a really easy way to make some mini breakfast casseroles that you can enjoy all week long. Grab a pen, you can find out what you need. Okay, so here are the main things. So you'll need some eggs, chicken sausage. I like to use this kind by Applegate because it's pretty tasty, and they also have different flavors. You'll need some whole grain bread, zucchini, bell pepper and onions, tomatoes, and of course my personal favorite, some goat cheese. Now you also will need a casserole dish to actually bake the casserole, but what I like to use are these mini ramekins because it's easier to measure out your portions. And you can buy these for about $1 or $2 from your local Walmart or Target, so it's pretty easy to get. Alright, if you got those items, then let's get started. Prepare main ingredients by shredding a zucchini, dicing bell pepper and onions, cutting up your bread, slicing a tomato and drawing the slices. Cook sausage in a pan. Then cut into pieces. Mix eggs and season with pepper. Slowly add your ingredients and mix. Spray ramekins with coconut oil and evenly add the mixture. Place tomato slices on top. Bake in the oven for 25 minutes at 375.